Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is co-education is always better. Now, ladies and gentlemen, by saying this, I don't mean to say that the institutions where only boys study or where only girls study, they are not good institutions. Not at all, ladies and gentlemen. All the educational institutions, all types of educational institutions are great. They are really great. Whether it is only for boys, whether it is only for girls, or whether it is co-educational, all of them are great. They are providing great knowledge to all types of students. Now, why I am putting emphasis on this, that co-educational institution is really good. Why I am saying this? There is a logical reason behind it, ladies and gentlemen, and moreover I will say there is a psychological reason. When we are with people of opposite sex, we try to understand that what is their behavioral pattern. And this is the major thing that we need to understand. What is the behavioral pattern of the person belonging to opposite sex? What is their way of thinking? What is their way of talking? What is their reaction in different types of situations? Now, you will also agree with this statement, ladies and gentlemen, that to similar kind of situation, people of both the sexes, they respond in a different manner. Same kind of situation, girls respond to it in a different manner and boys respond to it in a different manner. There is a difference in behavior, in attitude, in perception of different types of things happening around you. Both these people, they have different types of mentality because they are entirely different from each other, mentally, physically, in every manner. That's why there is a difference in opinion and there is a difference in approach and attitude towards different types of things. And if we want to thoroughly understand that what is this difference, we need to follow a co-educational pattern. We need to understand that what are the real needs, aspirations and desires and common behavioral etiquettes of people belonging to both the sexes, male and female. In order to understand this thing thoroughly, we must try to understand it right from the formative years of our life. And what are those formative years? When we are students. That's why we say that co-educational institutions are really great. Unless you be with the people of opposite sex, how will you ever understand that what is their mentality, what is their attitude, what is their behavioral pattern? And having knowledge of this is very crucial, because after completing your 12th standard, or go further, after completing your graduations and post-graduations, because we see today that there are different types of higher educational institutions also which are specific to a particular sex. Like there are certain higher educational graduation and post-graduation institutions which are only for boys, which are only for girls. Try to go beyond this. You are in a job environment where there are a large number of people working along with you. And inside job environment, there is no such distinction that only males are allowed to work in a particular company or only females are allowed to work in a particular company. There is no such distinction. There can be a situation wherein inside a particular company, the number of female candidates is more than that of male candidates. And there is a possibility that in most of the institution, in most of the organization, or I will say in some of the organizations, the number of male candidates is more than the female candidates. This possibility is there, but there is no such possibility that a particular organization is absolutely having no female employees or a particular organization is having absolutely no male employees. This thing is absolutely not possible. Corporate sector is run by combined effort of all types of people. It is a requirement, ladies and gentlemen, because as I said, there are different type of tasks which a person belonging to a particular sex can do perfectly. There are certain types of tasks which males can do perfectly. And then there are other sets of tasks which females can do perfectly. That's why inside corporate sector, inside job environment, there is no such distinction that only males are allowed in a particular organization or only females are allowed in a particular organization. Not possible, ladies and gentlemen. That's why if we want to develop the mentality of our children in accordance with the corporate sector, and we need to do it because after completing graduations and post-graduations, what is the ultimate target? They will have to hit the job market. And once they hit the job market, they need to develop their people skills. Technical skills are important, but people skills are even more important. And there is a very common term in today's corporate environment that when you join an organization for the first time, your success for initial few years depends on your technical skills, but as you grow ahead, everything reverses. The success starts depending more on people skills and less on technical skills. When you keep getting promotions, when you keep getting higher positions in an organization, the success starts depending more on people skills and less on technical skills. How will you develop people skills if you are not habitual of talking to every type of people in society? How is it possible? If you are not comfortable talking to male candidates, or if you are not comfortable talking to female candidates, you cannot succeed in any organization. You must be frank, open and friendly to people belonging to every kind of sex inside the organization so that you can develop your personality as a successful professional. So this is the importance of co-education, ladies and gentlemen. In my personal opinion, I always support co-education because the behavioral skills that we develop during formative years, they remain embedded in your personality throughout your life, and this is very much required. Something that you learn at a smaller age, it gets embedded inside your personality. It is forever. It is forever. And when you go to a professional environment, you thoroughly utilize that ability in a proper way. That's why I always support co-education. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.